Everything you see every day, from chocolate packaging to your phone interface, is graphic design. But it didn't appear yesterday. It has a history, and it influences what you consider beautiful today. Before the 15th century, all design was done by hand. Books were copied by monks, and this was already a form of design work. Decorative letters. Page composition. Visual hierarchy. Essentially, this was an early form of graphic design. Organizing information visually by hand, but the problem was, it was slow and inaccessible. 1440, the printing press. Around 1440, Gutenberg creates the printing press with movable type. This is one of the most important moments in design history. What changes? Books become. A standardization appears. The profession of typographer emerges. And most importantly, design starts working for a mass audience. 17th to 18th century, typography and newspapers. Newspapers, posters, and advertisements appear. Designers start experimenting. Different fonts. Size contrast. Early advertising layouts. But there's still no system, often cluttered and chaotic. 19th century, advertising and styles. The late 19th century, the Industrial Revolution. Companies begin actively advertising. And Art Nouveau appears. Art Nouveau is a decorative style based on natural forms and flowing lines, where visual aesthetics are more important than functionality. Flowing lines. Plant-inspired forms. Decorative typography. It was the first visual style recognizable on the level of an entire era. 1919, Bauhaus. In 1919, the Bauhaus school opens in Germany. Bauhaus is a school and design movement that combines art and functionality, aiming to make design simple, clear, and useful. This is a turning point. They introduce grids, geometry, simple fonts, sans serif, functionality. A grid is a system of guiding lines used to align elements and create structure in a layout. The main principle: form follows function. Bauhaus influenced Swiss style, minimalism, modern web design. 1920 to 1930, constructivism. At the same time, constructivism develops in the USSR. Constructivism is an avant-garde style where design is used as a tool for influence and communication, not decoration. Its features: diagonals, contrast, dynamic typography. This was design with an idea. It was meant to influence and persuade. 1950 to 1960, Swiss style. After World War II, Swiss style appears. Swiss style, international typographic style, is a design approach based on strict grids, clean typography, and maximum readability. It develops Bauhaus ideas into a system. Strict grid systems, alignment, minimalism, clean typography. This becomes the foundation for magazines, branding, interfaces. 710, 1980 to 1990, digital revolution. With the rise of personal computers, design changes radically. Apple makes computers accessible to designers. Adobe releases Photoshop, 1990. Now, design becomes faster. Digital design appears. Anyone can become a designer. 2000 now, UX/UI. With the growth of the internet, design becomes interactive. New fields appear. UX, user experience. UI, interface. Responsive design. UX, user experience, is how easy and intuitive it is to use a product. UI, user interface, is the visual part, buttons, colors, and interface elements.